Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to cut out tree in 1 minute. First of all, we need to unlock this layer. Just click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. Then right click on the layer, and select blending options to open layer style window. Sky color is blue as shown in the image. One of the easiest method to hide this blue background is, change blend if mode to blue. Then select the right handle and drag it to left. When I move this handle to left, you can see sky immediately hide now. Hold Alt key and click and drag the handle to split it, so that we can create smoother transition. Now I can see the transparency in the image. But this transparency not showing in the layer thumbnail. Now we cannot make selection on tree, because the transparency not reflected in the layer thumbnail. If we apply load selection from select menu, it will select all area. To apply transparency on the layer, just right click on it and convert it to smart object. Now transparency is applied on the layer thumbnail. Then again go to select menu and click load selection. Now we can make selection as our wish. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel, and hit bell button, so that you will get latest updates from me.